The recent earthquakes in Myanmar and Thailand have left a trail of destruction, displacing thousands and prompting urgent humanitarian efforts. In the wake of this disaster, communities have come together, showcasing remarkable resilience as they support each other in recovery efforts. Authorities are closely monitoring seismic activity, providing updates and safety guidelines to help the public prepare for potential aftershocks. Despite the challenges, families are finding ways to cope and support one another, demonstrating incredible strength and community spirit in these trying times.